Okay, today let's go over the new Demon Zero Plus RF Impact Short. Now, right off the bat, this is a unisex short. Okay, so male or female, and any size. We go double extra small all the way up to double extra large. So regardless of your size, the Zero Plus short will have a size for you. Okay, to start, around the waistband, we have a nice thick waistband. This is important because you don't want your shorts falling down. So this is nice, thick and tight on the waistband. You've got the Demon logos embroidered inside of it here. This is an athletic mesh, right? So this is very stretchy. You can see the surged seams here all around. So it's super high quality seams. Underneath the legs here, you have a silicone band on this leg and this leg, and that's designed to help keep the shorts from riding up. Okay, as far as the padding goes, you can see here, we've got, on the Zero Plus now, we've got a much longer sweeping hip pad here. Now this is nice, thick, soft foam over the hip. Now we've got the upper butt area over on the thigh all the way down into the side here. So this is really going to absorb your side impacts as you're falling over on the ice or the snow or the dirt. These protect your legs here. Now coming around the back side, we're really excited about where we're at here this year and what we've put into this. So you'll see you have a nice big tailbone butt area that's full foam, very soft foam. Underneath, or on top of this foam rather, there's a thin layer of RF D3O, and that stands for recycled foam. This is actually D3O that is made of recycled D3O and made into sheets. And so we have a sheet of that under the tailbone here, and then right on top of the tailbone, there's an ESP Pro CE certified tailbone protector right here. So you can kind of feel it's a little bit hard right here, and that's to deflect the ice or the dirt right off the tailbone here. So you've got the ES Pro tailbone, CE certified, D3O, and then the foam piece. That's serious padding and protection for your butt. And then on the sides here, you've got a nice thick piece of foam, and then you have that RF D3O foam that you can see underneath it, highlighting that area right there. So you've got 2 layers of protection here, 3 layers here, and 1 layer here and here. Overall, this is our lightest, simplest short. This is a perfect short for beginners, intermediate people. It can be paired with our vest, our top, and also the knee pads. And this is an all-weather, all-season short. So if you want to use it in the snow, use it in the snow. It's perfect for snowboarding. If you want to skate in the summertime or you have another activity in the summertime, it's a perfect short for the summertime activities as well. So this is our Zero Plus short, available now. Check it out. Okay, so now let's talk about the Zero Plus RF pant. Everything with the shorts is going to be identical. On the legs, so on the pants, the legs are going to go all the way down to the bottom here. And the cool features are we have very plush, soft built-in knee pads with a Velcro strap to keep them in place. And then on the back side of the knee, this is a huge upgrade from just the typical Zero pants, is you're going to have vented mesh on the back of your knees, and that will allow your knees to stay cool when this is used as a base layer. So that is going to be the Zero Plus short as well as the pants. Check it out now.